Hazrat Abu Abdul Rahman reports that Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, while we were in a funeral in Baqi Gharqad, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to us. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam sat down and we also sat around him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam had a stick. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam kept on striking the earth with it, then said, no one is amongst you, no alive one is amongst you, but his abode in hell or paradise has been decreed, and it has also been written whether he is a blessed or wretched one. A man said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, shouldn't we depend on what has been written for us and leave to perform actions? So whoever amongst us is blessed will perform the actions of the blessed ones, and whoever amongst us is wretched will perform the actions of the wretched ones. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, the noble deeds are made easy for the blessed, and the bad deeds are made easy for the wretched. Then he recited this verse, then as for him who gave in charity and feared God. Surah Al-Layl, verse 5. Hadith number 1362.